Hello, good morning students. In the last video to discuss how to make a classification of different types of plants. In the last video I had already discussed how to classify the different types of plants on what base of information divided into the certain classifications of plants. So now we have to discuss the detailed information regarding that, the detailed classification, the detailed types of information, types of planning. So here the types of planning. Types of planning is an important for 8 marks question in the exam. Explain the types of planning or plan. Now, there are 8 types of plants are there. Actually, in the last video we have divided what are the standing plants, what are the single leaf plant, and what are the classified into the non-classified into the single leaf and standing plant. We already discussed. And then now we are detailed see about the types of plants. There are 8 types of plants are there. Here, first one, objectives, strategy, policy, procedure, method, role, program, budgets. So these are all the types of plants. So now we have to discuss one by one. First one, here, the objectives. Objectives, one of the main important types of plant. What does it mean? How? I told in the last video the process of planning. One of the concept of process of planning, one of the main important step process is setting objectives. Yes, here the plans formulated for the purpose of setting an objectives. Objectives means here the desired means is a desired result of the desired end result of the organization. Here the objectives in the mind of when you have to start the establishment, when you have to start business, for that at the time of establishment of the business, in our mind have one target, one goal, one objective there. That is profit. Either service. That is the objective. Here it is an end result of the organization. Not formulated. Either profit making, either providing services. So that's the organization. The objectives means here the objectives are it is a desired end result of the organization. That desired result is in the form of profit or loss. Either services here are being. So that is one of the main important objectives. One of the type of planning is objective. It is an desired end result of organization. That's all. Next, second one is strategy. Strategy. It is a comprehensive plan of the organization for the purpose of. It is the strategy. It is a comprehensive plan for the organizational goal, achieving the organizational objectives. It is strategy. It is a comprehensive plan for achieving the goal of the organization. Yes, here strategy means here we have to formulate certain policies, certain plans regarding that, how to carry the activities, how to do the work regarding that. It is a very comprehensive plan for the achieving the goal of the organization. The strategies includes this. First one is determining the long-term objectives. One of that include determining the long-term objectives, and then to adopt the particular course of action to reach the organizational goal. The strategies includes another adopting particular course of action to reach the goal. Here with the help of doing the work, organizational activities, whatever the plan are made, as per the plan can do the work, and with the help of that finally to reach the target goal achievement of the business organization. Next one is allocating resources. Allocating resources. In this, these three are including under the strategy. Just you can write here explain like that. Strategy. It is another important type of plan. It is a comprehensive plan for achieving the goal of the business organization. The strategies include these three. determining the long-term objectives and adopting particular course of action, reach goal and allocating the resources. That's all. This is the information regarding the strategy. That's all. Next here, and the strategies also formulated by the top level management. So formulated by the top level management who have under the top level, very well important who comes under the top level, they only formulated strategies. Afterwards, whatever that who have the top level, they formulated strategy. According to that, strategies are implemented in the organizational activities with the help of employees efforts. This is about the information of strategy. And then next one is policy. Policy, another important type of planning is, it means what is policy? Policy refers to the, it is a general statement that guide thinking of decisions makers. It is a general guidelines, general statement that guide to the decision making to the organizational managers. Now, who make a decision, who decisions are made to them, providing certain broad guidelines, certain directions how to make a decision, to the managers in the organization. For example, here in that organization, we have to manufacture certain products. Whatever the product we have to manufacture, to that kind of product, how to price fixation, how to make a price fixing. For example, here policies, examples of policies, pricing policy, recruitment policy. What are the policies are implemented in your organization for the purpose of recruitment? How the selection of employees in the organization regarding that policy. And then pricing policy. What are the product that manufactured in your organization to that kind of product, how to fixation of the price, how to determination of the price, about that policy. Information. Means here general guidance are followed to take the decision in the organization. Who are able to take the decision makers to them providing certain guidelines to the managers for the purpose of here take the decision. For example, here pricing decision and then recruitment decision. Who have under this department, who are the head, to them providing certain guidelines to regarding that how to do the task pricing or like about this pricing, price policy. Next is procedure. Yes, it is another important type of plan. Procedure means here which of the method, which of the way will be followed to carry the activities of routine activities of business organization. Here the procedure means routine steps are how to carry activities, It is a routine steps to follow. The steps will be taken by the manager to carry the activities of organizational. And then also it is the detailed informations of the mannerism of work, how to task will be carrying by the subordinate. And then the procedure means it is a routine steps on how to carry the activities of organization. And then also it is providing the detailed information regarding the mannerism of work, way of work, whatever the task is there on that organization, that task how to carrying by the subordinate. So this manner of work. And then this is the procedure. Procedure is the procedure how to carry the activities. That procedure is there. That procedure will be formulated by the top level management. As per that procedure, you must carry the activities in the organization. For example, here whatever the activities is there, certain steps will be followed to carry the activities in the organization. The mannerism of work in the organization. Here at exact each and every, for example, each and every employees are exactly entered 10 p.m. 10 a.m. Right. For example, of procedure of purchase of materials. Procedure of purchase of materials. For asking you one more question, give an example of procedure, give an example of policy, give an example of rule method, like that asking you for one more question. The procedure example is procedure of purchase of material, procedure of recruitment. What is the way of recruitment? In which way? The varieties of procedure is there. recruitment process. In that which method, with a written test, with a demo, like that, it is to be considered. This is about the information of the procedure. Next, another one is method. Yes, in the case of when you have to perform the activities in that organization, that any subordinate, any employee, any persons are carrying the activities in that organization, that activities are performed with the help of certain methods. Which kind of method will be followed? Now here, under this method, the prescribed manner or way about the task of the organization. Which is the way, which is the manner to follow the organizational activities, to carry the organizational activities. Which kind of way, which kind of manner, which kind of method will be followed, and then also how to perform that, how to perform with the help of employees, with the help of machineries, with the help of any other equipment, like that. Here the method, it is the method indicating the information regarding the prescribed way or manner about task of the organization, and then about that task, related to that kind of task, how to perform the subordinate in the organization. For example, method is this is the information regarding that method. And next, rule. Rule, it is very important. Many times asked a question in that exam. Give an example of rule. What is a rule? What is rule? Rule means rules. Rule. Whatever the organizational terms and conditions are there, rules and regulations are there, they are followed. That rules are followed here. At a time of when the activities are carried by the subordinate in the organization, that time each and every employee, each and every person must follow the certain related to that kind of organizational rules. That is, for example, here must, when the employees are working, must wear ID card working place. Like that. Here the rule, specific statement that inform what is to be done and behavior of the organizational people. Here specific statement to be informed for the employees what is to be done, and then also behavior of the organizational people, dedicating what is to be done. It is a specific statement of the organization. It informs to the employees what is to be done, and then also it indicating the information regarding that behavior of the organizational people. How to behave here? They are properly maintain the rules and regulations of the organization. They are properly attended, the properly doing the work, the properly whatever the rules and regulations are there in that organization, they are followed, like that. The behavior of the employees are indicating. Example of the rule is wear ID cards. Wear ID cards in the workplace. This is the example of the rule. Ask for one more question. Give an example of rule, like this. Wear ID cards in the workplace. This is the one more question. The next one is here program. It is a detailed statement about the project, objectives, policy, and rules of the organization. Here, what is program? The program is here the detailed information regarding that project. Program. Next one is program. It is the detailed statement of about the project of the organization, and then either not only for the project, either objectives, policy, rules of the organization. Dedicated project. For example, here at the time of opening a new branches, what are the program will be maintained? What is the list of programs? For example, see now in our college, when we are celebrating annual day, that time we must have the list, program list is there. According to the list, according to that kind of list, perform the activities. First, what is prayer, lighting the lamp, welcome speech, like that. So like that, it's an indicating a detailed statement of the about the project, how to perform, how to take the steps, how to carry the activities. For example, at the time of opening a new branch, what kind of programs will be carried out, like that. And last one is budgets. Budget means regarding the monetary expenses. Just to make an estimated, think before conducting, carrying the activities, at present may be expected result. Expecting figures will be think in our mind. That much of cost is incurred, that much of expenses are incurred, that much of profit may be earned. Like it is the statement of expected result expressed. The statement of expected result or expressed in the form of monetary terms. For example, here estimated value or expenses. Here when you want to start a new business, to that kind of establishment of the business, the expenses are incurred 10 lakh rupees. In the 10 lakh for land 2 lakh, machineries 5 lakh, raw materials like that, construction like that. Maybe that much of cost are expected. This is that budget. For example of that budget is sales budget, cash budget, revenue budget, and then like that. These are all the main important informations regarding the types of plans. Now, next class we will discuss about the next concept. Thank you very much.